I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, I am going to share with you obviously the fave video of the month, which is subscription boxes, which I never got a chance to film in December because of everything with moving and everything. But I haven't filmed for the last couple of weeks because I've had no internet. Like literally, it has been an absolute nightmare trying to do homeschooling, work from home, and just trying to upload videos. It just wasn't happening. So I just thought I'd give it a break. Wait until the internet gets installed, and today it was finally installed. So hopefully if you are watching this, it means that I managed to get it uploaded and everything is hopefully going to be back to normal. I hope you're all well. I have missed you all so much, and don't forget the giveaway is still going strong. There's so many of you who've been entering and I'm so grateful, and thank you to all the new subscribers. I haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks, but yet you guys are still supporting me, which I really appreciate, so thank you so much. And if you haven't already, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all loving my new background and the new room that we're in. Obviously this is my new beauty room. We moved, I can't believe it's been over a month already. I'm just so grateful. Honestly, every time I walk into this room, it just puts a massive smile on my face. You know when there's always a room, or you know when you're having a really bad day, then there's that room that really makes you smile. Well, it's this. It just makes me feel alive and just, yeah. So this room and my ensuite as well. If you saw my Insta stories last night, you would have seen my bathroom dance. I challenge you all to go and do a bathroom dance and tag me in it over on Instagram. Honestly, it'll just lift your spirits up, and I know it's not a lot, but it's something, just something for us all to have a little smile on our faces. And yeah, to be honest with you, I have really enjoyed this time away from social media, only because there's just so much negativity, so much going on at the minute. It's actually depressing to go onto social media, and I think it's time we just, you know, put back what it is and have a little bit of fun with it all. So yeah, I'm trying not to like, oh yeah, it has been a hard few weeks, but we're getting there. So the kids are all back to normal with their schooling. That's been a challenge in itself, being kicked out of, you know, classes. Then the one day EE decided to crash and I couldn't even make phone calls from my phone. I couldn't even use the internet. Honestly, it's been absolutely mental. But BT came this morning, as I said, and fingers crossed everything is all back up and running. So that's the joys of moving home. You have to wait, unfortunately, and it's amazing how much we actually rely on the internet. You know, there was a time where we lived without it, and now we can't live without it. Crazy. It's literally taken over our lives. It controls everything that we do. So yeah, here we are. So let's get into today's video, and yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. It's the subscription boxes, January subscription boxes. The only one I haven't got is the positivity package, which is fine, but I've got everything else here. So yeah, I was waiting for Glossybox, which it arrived yesterday. There's been a bit of a delay, so it's all here. Let's get started. But before we do, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, grab that cuppa, and let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get into the subscription boxes. I have really missed these, and I've missed recording. I have actually missed recording videos. It's been that long. I don't think I've picked the camera up for the last 2.5 weeks, and that's very unusual for me. So yeah, I'm just really excited to be sharing today's video, and I've got some really good videos coming up. I've still got my trolley full of goodies that I need to film. Honestly, I took full advantage of this break and literally didn't do anything. I've hardly been on social media. It's been mental. My new chair got delivered, so I'm sitting in it right now. I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable. Got a little picture here so you guys can see it as well. And yeah, I've got some really good things, vision boards coming up. I've got my beauty. We've got a couple of collabs coming up as well with some of the Patreon girls. I had my planner. This is the Steph Pays planner, which came all the way from Australia, may I say. And I had everything all planned out here. And the reason why I write in pencil is because I rub it out, because I hate it when I see scribbles all over it. And because it's such a beautiful planner, I'm not ruining it. So I have all the different videos scheduled out here. And yes, as you can tell, it hasn't gone to plan, but I'm just going to be pushing everything and hopefully catching up, and you guys can get to see everything from now till February. And then, you know, we'll go on from there. So yeah, exciting things happening. And yeah, I've had so many requests requests about a beauty room tour, so don't worry, it is coming. Like I said, I've just really took advantage of not even picking up the camera, and it has felt really, really good. Okay, so now you're dying to get into the boxes, I know. So let's start off with Birchbox, and this one is Rethink Your Routine, Trust the Magic and of a Fresh Start. So this is what's come from Birchbox, and it's all about positive thinking, fresh new you, fresh start. It's not actually a new year, new you, it's about a fresh start. So just, you know, with everything that's been going on, it's been absolutely mental. So it's about time we put ourselves first, which is what I think we really need to be doing more of. So rethink your routine, trust the magic of a fresh start. And there's the info card of what's inside here. Something smells really, really nice because I've got a really strong smell of it when it came out. So first up we have an Amika product. It's the Soulful Nourishing Mask, and this is retailing at £20. When it comes to hair, oh, it's hair. Oh, wicked hair. When it comes to hair health, split ends and dryness are two of our worst enemies. Fight both with this nourishing all-natural hair mask packed with vitamin-rich C, buckthorn berry and jojoba oil. It is intensely hydrate strands while repairing damage and sealing frayed ends. Best of all, it's free of parabens and other unwanted chemicals that have no place near your head, which is good. So this is obviously the sample size, but the big tub, it's a 250ml, is £20. Next up we have, I think it's this that smells really nice. It's a vegan Dr. Botanicals strawberry poppy seed and cleansing bar. Sounds very interesting, doesn't it? I've done it flashing on the light. Sorry guys, let me just switch it off so they stay still. One sec. They're annoying me, so I can imagine what they're doing to you guys. Sorry about that. What have I done with that bar now? Okay, so back to this, and it is the vegan. It's really cold in here, so I haven't got any foundation on. I've just got a bit of bronzer, primer, and my nose is really red. It's because it's really cold. It's absolutely freezing today. I need to put some socks on. I think that's what will help. But yeah, red nose. So this smells so nice. It's obviously strawberry, and this is a cleansing bar perfect for your weekly exfoliation session. This is more than your average bar of soap, formulated with 98% natural ingredients like exfoliating black poppy seeds and revitalizing strawberry. This small but mighty bar will cleanse and exfoliate the skin all over your body, restoring your natural glow. So this is the full size, and it is worth £9.90. So this is a cleansing bar for your body. I thought it was for your face, but it's actually for your body. And the poppy seeds are a great natural exfoliator as well, so that's what they've put them there. Okay, next up we have the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum from This Works, and this is retailing at £37. This youth boosting serum is formulated to target tired looking skin, packed with plumping powers of hyaluronic acid and brightening slow release vitamin C. It will brighten, firm, tighten and smooth your complexion in no time. Then next up we have a Lies Wattier Illuminating Primer worth £42. And when it comes to looking radiant, you can't go past an illuminating primer. This cream gel primer with a delicate pearlescent finish gives a soft radiant glow whether you apply it before foundation, as a base, or after as a highlighter. Plus the universal shade suits all complexions. Mix it directly with foundation, concealer or day cream for a natural radiant look. Oh, I might give this a try. And this is worth £42. That's a good one to have. Then we have from Marcel a purifying mask. This clay mask addresses all the concerns of oily skin by cleansing impurities, refining pores and leaving skin with a clean matte look, plus the creamy texture prevents it from being too dry. Wow, they have been in beauty business for over 145 years. That is amazing. So this is retailing at £17.50. So that is what is in the Birchbox this month. Thank you very much. I like the box, it's really cute, and I really like the quote on it. It's really nice as well. Then next up we have, get my hands on it. Next up we have Glossybox, and this is the one that arrived yesterday, or was it on Monday? It was Monday it came, and this is the Power of Beauty. Hasn't been opened. I just literally leave the boxes on the side and I leave them all for this video, and I don't even look on social media. How I do it I don't know, but sometimes I miss it and I end up watching. But yeah, anyway, so here's the info card. I like that one. It's quite nice and clean, and okay, so it's Happy New Year Glossies. January is all about starting fresh, and what better to take inspiration from than the natural world around us. To start off 21, we're focusing on the fresh and pure and bringing you a selection of powerful yet gentle products that your skin is going to adore. So strip back your beauty routine and showcase your natural beauty within. Well, that's all we can do at the minute, isn't it? Stay positive. Okay, so what do we have? First up we have a liquid eyeliner from Ico. Oh, okay, so I'm presuming that this should have been a brow gel, which I'm kind of glad it isn't because I don't do anything with my brows, as you can see there. Yeah, so I've got the eyeliner, Skinny Liquid Eyeliner and Define in the shade black. So thank you very much. Then we have, I think there was one product that they couldn't get, so it looks like it's the E-Cooking. Yeah, so it's the E-Cooking Deluxe. They obviously couldn't get that, so they put this one instead. And this is from Mud Masky, and it's for reduces dark circles, pure puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. So that's what's in there. Then next up we have a 2-pack of daily reusable rounds. So it's a makeup cloth, and did you know you can minimize your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty regime? These natural and reusable makeup removal rounds are the perfect solution. These 2 pads are ideal for all face cleansing and makeup removal. I've got loads of these, and I've got them in my little washing basket bag, and they all go in the wash as well, so they're really good. And they're retailing at £6.80, and you can get them from the bodywellnessbeauty.com. And yeah, 2 in a packet, that's not bad. Okay, so next up we have a hand sanitizer gel. This is 75% ethanol, aloe vera and vitamin E hand sanitizer gel, alcohol based hand sanitizer, because we can't get enough of that at the minute. And it's a hand disinfectant gel. So yeah, this is retailing at £2.72, which is not a bad size. Okay, so I've got a couple of things that aren't on here, which is fine. So the E-Cooking moisturizing serum is here, and this is retailing at, the deluxe mini is worth £22, so this is worth £22, and the full size is worth £45. And this is a perfect for all ages and skin types. This serum gives your skin a moisture boost, likely much needed due to cold weather, which is definitely what I need. By locking in your skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration, this E-Cooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. So thank you very much for that. And then last but not least, a avocado infused sheet mask. I've got quite a few of these, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway with a couple of other things as well. So yeah, this is the plant-based range, anti-aging formula, biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. So that's that, and that's retailing at £4.95, and you can get that from beautyprocom.com. And yes, that is Glossybox this month. Yeah, not too bad. It's just all skincare, isn't it? It's just about looking after yourself this month, but it's products that we have already had in the boxes before. Next up we have Beguile Beauty. I absolutely love this. This is one of the high-end boxes, and it's all lovely and wrapped up there. Can you see? I haven't seen what's inside here. Wow. Okay then. So first up we have a Steve Lauren. I think this is it's a blush. Oh, wicked. I do like this brand. It's quite cute. So let's see what the blush looks like. That's the blush. Okay. Got a bit of sparkle in that. That's cool. Then we have a white rose wax, and this is Cozy Cashmere and Winter Musk. I've got a wax melter up there, so I might put that in and see what that smells like. Then we have from Project Lit a plump and gloss. Warning, this product will tingle, and it's in the shade Flame. Oh, okay, so it's nice red, obviously. We've got a bit of a sparkle in there as well. Okay, then we have some glitter. Yeah, so it's a Chameleon Copper face and body 3D glitter, and it's from I Am Iconic. That's what that looks like. Really cute sparkle there. And then last but not least, we have a Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and it's the Armed and Gorgeous. So let's have a look what this one looks like. Oh wow, that's beautiful, that is. Just look how stunning that palette is. I really like that. That's gorgeous. So yeah, put that in my little collection. And yeah, that's from Morphe as well. So Beguiles, that's not too bad at all. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I just had to put my hair up because it was doing my head in. You know when you just feel really uncomfortable. So yeah, up, it's gone. Okay, so next up is the second high-end box that I've got, and that is Look Incredible. I'm sure that was gold before, but it's silver now. Anyway, let's have a look. So as usual, they've got your little message from them, and then what's on inside the box is inside. So this is worth 3, 6, 7, 8, 80, 96, 104, about 108, 110 pounds. Okay. Oh wow, no way. Okay, so first up we have some face masks, and these are a pack of 2, and they're worth £6, and they are from the brand Leaders. And we've got a honey skin soft mask, and then we've got a bamboo skin soft mask. So that's what's in there, a bit of pampering. Okay, then we have a Lancome light brown eyebrow shaper. So that's an eyebrow pencil, which I'm not going to open or use because Like I said, I don't really use it, so that's what that looks like, and I will put that in the giveaway so somebody can have that. Okay, then we have a Christian Dior rouge, and this is in Exuberant Matte. So yes, and this is also the Lancome pencil was worth £20, and then this Dior lipstick is worth £33. I love the packet. Oh wow, that is a beautiful colour. That's really nice. Oh, I wish we could go out. When are we going to be going out? Oh wow, and the inside's the same. Look, love that. When are we going to be allowed to go back out and have a nice meal and get dressed and ready? Not anytime soon anyway. Okay, and then next up we have an Arbonne brightening eye cream, and that is worth £30. So that's what that looks like. And then, oh my god, they must have, it just must be a month of eyeshadow palettes and Jaclyn Hill, or they're just trying to get rid of Jaclyn Hill's palette, God knows. So I've got another Jaclyn Hill palette, and this one is Dark Magic. So that is what this palette looks like. Okay, I am going to actually put one of these in the giveaway pile, so I don't need two of these, so I will put one of these in. I'll choose which one I like better and then I'll send it, but I think I like the other one more than this one, so this one is going to go in the giveaway pile. I'll pack it all away neatly as well so that it doesn't get damaged. Okay, and that is what is in Look Incredible this month. And then last but not least we have Look Fantastic. I'm loving the colour, nice to brighten us up. We've got the info card, little magazine here telling you what's inside, and yeah, I love it. What's in the box? Don't tell me all that's in the box. Really? Oh yeah, there is. Okay, so let's start off with, they've changed their tissue paper as well. They've got it all branded, looking very very different, isn't it? And it smells good in here as well. So that is what's in Look Fantastic. We have a complexion sponge from So Eco. Oh yeah, you can never have enough sponges. Then we have from Grow Gorgeous a balanced shine enhancing overnight mask. So that is for your hair. Then we have a Matte Me from Sleep Makeup lip gloss, and there's obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 different shades. I have Helicious. So yeah. And then next up we have a, oh, we've got another from Dr. Botanicals, another cleansing bar, and this is avocado and cucumber natural cleansing bar. Is this for your skin as well, body as well, or is it for your skin? Let's have a look. Also you would have either got the Verso cream or the cleansing bar. A gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both the face and body. So this is for face and body. I love the packaging, it's really cute. So yeah, I'll have to pick which one I want and then I'll put another one in the giveaway. Okay, then we have from SVR Laboratory a Hydroline. It's a facial moisturizer, perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin, dermatologically proven to keep skin moistured for up to 24 hours, hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive skin type. Okay, and then last but not least we have a hand mask, double layer hand mask glove, Hollywood hand model, the secrets are revealed. So that is what that is. Oh, I could do with that. A hand mask designed to hydrate hands and cuticles during on an innovative double layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair, condition and soften even the roughest of hands with a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils making up the formula. Your hands will appear visibly softer and more supple after just one use. Well, definitely need it because look at these hands. I haven't had a manicure for weeks. Been what, this is the 3rd week now, isn't it? We're in week 3, aren't we? So that is what the situation is, and that is all of my subscription boxes for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your favorite box is, and are you subscribed to any of these boxes? I will leave all the links down below so you can go and check them out and choose which one you think might be your fave. They're all on par with each other this month. I haven't got a favorite. They're all very, very similar, but very mixed match, I think. So yeah, I prefer it when they're all like a proper theme, so we know what we're doing with it. But yeah, no, I'm gonna obviously go through and see what I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna put the rest in the giveaway box. I'm giving away products every single month, and you can still be in with a chance of winning this for this month's giveaway. I might add a few little extra things in there as well, just to make it, you know, a bit more exciting, because everybody loves my giveaways. But yeah guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all on my next video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.